Hello guys! Welcome to my vlog. It's me again, Angelica Veloso. For today's video, I will show you my Nihongo journey. Let's go! Hello, good day. I am Angelica Veloso. I am studying BSHM at STI College Caloocan. As a second year student, I have foreign language course this school year. And today, I will share to you my foreign language journey. My Nihongo journey was started last September 2020. My teacher is Emery Sensei. Emery Sensei is a very kind teacher.
To ask permission, and then second, to grant permission.
Every session, she checked our attendance and required to us to participate using Nihongo language.
Veloso-san.
Ohayo gozaimasu.
Ay, si Veloso. Veloso-san.
Number 3 po ako, ma'am.
Number 3. Apo.
On my first semester, I learned to introduce myself in Japanese. After that, our sensei will give a task in Weblog. Here we upload about why we need to study Nihongo and other information about Japan. Also, they teach us to write our name using katakana character. Then, they give us to try a storyboard application of our greetings using a Japanese language. Emery Sensei teach us how to order inside the restaurant, how to buy inside the department store, and how to make phone calls and speak using a Canva. On my second sem, they will give tasks by per activity, shadowing activity, technical terms, how to give direction, parts of the body, writing kanji, and also writing hiragana. And the last is the Japanese song. Our sensei, they will always correct us when we have an incorrect characters writing, because they will ensure that we teach and to know how to write it properly. In doing this activity, I'm excited because it will be the way that we know why we need to study Nihongo. My experience while doing this activity are excited, happiness, and nervous because at this picture I see the beautiful place in Japan. My experience to doing my katakana name is happy because I learned how to write my name using Nihongo. In doing this activity is happy because I learned how to make a character using a storyboard. In this activity is very simple for me because this picture describing myself. I experiencing nervous to doing this order inside the restaurant because I cannot fluent in Japanese language and I happy to pass it. My feelings to buy inside the department store is intense because that is my first time and I'm happy because I experienced this opportunity. In this activity is very nervous for me because you are speaking while the camera are open and it will be recorded. For this activity, I'm happy because I feel talking to other Japanese using Japanese language. This shadowing activity is really entertaining because it tests my ability and learn to speak Japanese language. In these technical terms, I confused because some of the character I can't remember. When I'm doing this activity of how to give direction, I'm feeling rushed because I have a work and also I'm happy to finish this activity. After I'm doing this activity parts of the body, I learn some knowledge about Nihongo and what are the translation of the parts of the body and some Japanese words and meaning. When I'm writing kanji character is surprising because I thought it was hard but it is easy and I love it. In this activity, writing hiragana, it is simplest for me because it easy to remember that hiragana character. In doing this activity, katakana character is easy for me because I have direction how to write it. These are the activity and vocabulary that our sensei will teach us. In this activity, Japanese song, my experience is happy because I will learn how to sing in Japanese language. I rate myself 0 up to 100%. I think my ratings is 80% because some of the Japanese words I did not know, and also for the speaking fluent in using Japanese Nihongo. For the future, I think this is the skill will apply someday. If I graduated and work in cruise line, I apply all the learnings, knowledge, and also the experience that our sensei will hard work to teach us to learn. And a special thanks to our sensei, Miss Emery Rairo. Thank you for hard work and your learnings and knowledge that you will give us this study Japanese language. Thank you.